You're not even afraid when anybody walks by, are you? Yeah. See, you're kind of stuck, aren't you? Nowhere to go. What are you gonna do? Because you're gonna have to fly. I don't think you can hop down. Maybe you could. But sometimes you just have to fly. Sometimes you just gotta take that leap. And you know, there'll always be people there. There'll always be someone there. Always. To cheer you on. Tell you can do it. Yes, you can. You were born to do it. I wish I could find what I was born to do, baby bird. Once you take that first flight, then you're all there. Here comes Mama. She's down there somewhere. There she is. There she is. She wants you to come with her. She's calling you, baby bird. She's saying, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, my baby. Come on, my baby.